Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be my packing with me for college video. This video was long awaited because I go back to school really late because my school starts in September. So I just decided to start packing early because I'm super excited to go back to school. If this is your first time seeing me on this channel, hey, my name is Love. I'd love if you guys would subscribe down below and stick around for the rest of the video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Here is my 3 suitcases. They're all inside of this because they are stackable, so they're all in here. I'm gonna start with my shoes because that's the easiest thing. So for my shoes, I have a medium-sized suitcase and a giant duffel bag for the boots and stuff. I'm basically packing all of my tennis shoes, my Vans, my sneakers, everything like that in the suitcase, and then all of the boots are going in this duffel bag. And then to fill up the rest of the duffel bag, I'm just going to put heavy coats and jackets, and then I'll be that. But let's go ahead and get started. So, for example, I have white Converse here, and I also have my, what are these called? My New Balances, navy blue ones. You know, they match the navy blue clothes. So these can go on that side. I'm going to put the flatter tennis shoes on like the zipper pouch side and then the bulky sneakers on this side. But let's go ahead and stop talking. Now I'm just gonna pack them by pairs, but I'll come back because I know this clip has already been way too long. Okay, so here is it. All of my Uggs, my Sperry boots, rain boots, black Uggs, gray Uggs, tan Uggs, and then I already showed you guys the Tasmans and the moccasins. I'm just gonna arrange them in this duffel bag, and then afterwards I'm gonna get all of my major like heavyweight jackets that won't fit in my suitcases and stuff them on top, because this duffel bag is super huge. Like, it doesn't look big right now, but it's when it gets filled, it is so huge and it fits so much stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and then I'll come back to you guys. Alright, so next to me I have my giant big suitcase, and up next I have to pack the clothes in my closet. Last year what I did was I used hangers and I just put trash bags over them. If you guys haven't seen last year's video, that will also be linked on the screen. But when I was moving out, I just wrapped up the clothes in the hanger so that the hanger didn't break and everything fit in my suitcase seamlessly. So I'm just going to do the same thing again last year. So let's just go ahead and get into the time lapse. So I'm going to put my jackets and sweaters on this side that has clip, and then all the short sleeve and long sleeve on this side that has the zipper. I have moved positions and I have changed my shirt because I was way too hot in this t-shirt. It was just too much. And now I'm going through my drawers to pack my folded clothes in this last tiny suitcase. And I also have my drawers from last year downstairs that's gonna fit all my sweatshirts and my pajamas. But right now I'm just doing my t-shirts and my bottoms, and then over here are just like the other essentials and stuff that I need to pack for school in my last bin that I have downstairs. So this t-shirt is gonna come with me to school, but it's sweaty now, so I have to put it in the laundry. So after I do laundry this weekend, well, by the time you're seeing this video, I've already done my laundry and it's in my stuff. But last year I brought so many freaking folded shirts, and I wore like 3 out of like all of them all semester, and then the only shirts I wore were the ones I used to work out in. So I'm really going to be super specific this year going through these clothes, because I know I'm not going to wear any of them as much as I did, I mean just like I did last year. I only wore these shirts like during the summer, or like when I don't want to ruin something, I wear these shirts, but I only wore a few out of all of these. So I'm just going to pack a very small few of them, and most of them are like oversized t-shirts and things like that. School shirts are in here, just a few things like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, pack these up. Some gray shirts I like to wear, things like that, I'm gonna put in here. But back to the time lapse. So I have officially done my 3rd outfit change of this video, and I brought this bin upstairs because this is what I used in school to store underwear, tank tops, pajamas, and in these 2 drawers I stored sweatshirts and hoodies. So I have already started picking out like thick socks and pajama shirts. That's why I took off the one I was wearing. Tank tops and things like that. I'm even going to start putting underwear in here because I only have 11 days until I go back to school. And then I have all of the pajamas I am bringing to school right here, because I bought a bunch of new ones when I came back, because the stuff I was wearing at school was just like old and just grimy. So I'm going to go ahead and start organizing these things in here, and then I'm going to be done with packing clothes. And I'm so excited to say that, because this has honestly been the most disgustingly sweaty experience. So yeah, time lapse now. So I'm officially done packing my clothes, which has honestly been kind of horrible, not gonna lie. But now I have to go downstairs and finish packing my essentials. So there may be a 4th outfit change, because honestly I don't feel like doing that tonight. So I'm just gonna stop here and pick back up tomorrow afternoon or later tonight, who knows. But yeah, that's it for this section. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. So I am back again, and 4th outfit change of the video. But now I have like my hair bin, and I need to go through this and take out like a few headbands and other little hair supplies that I want to bring. And then I have my underwears over here. I'm not gonna pick that up. And like socks, I'm gonna put them in a plastic bag with the rest of the other essentials I have in this corner. I also have my shower caddy over here, and the only thing that's in it right now is my loofah and this washcloth, but I'm gonna throw this out. Keep the loofah in here, and then I'm gonna take the other facial essentials and vitamins I have on my desk and put them back in here, and then just tie this up. I still have no idea where my shower shoes are. They're black flip-flops. I haven't been able to find them like since like June, so I really need to look for those because those are my shower shoes for school. But if I can't find them, I'm just gonna start wearing my slides in the shower because it's not that deep. I also went to the dollar store and I got 2 new felt tip hangers. These were a pack of 2 for $1. I only have 2 hangers that I needed to replace because the sweaters were just sliding off of them, so I just got 1 pack of these. And then for the sweaters that are still in my closet, I'm just gonna put trash bags over them and then take them downstairs like that. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go back into the time lapse so you guys can continue watching me pack for school. We have made it to the last place in my room that I need to finish packing, which is back in my closet, and I just have this. You can't really see it, but there's like a small amount of sweaters right here that I need to pack, and I'm gonna put them in the trash bag. But first I'm gonna change out 2 hangers, so back to the time lapse. Alright, my battery is flashing, but I did it. I'm super sweaty once again, but I've finished packing my closet. I've already packed up all of my accessories and everything. I only left out 3 pairs of shoes because I still have 11 days, like I said, to move back in. But I'm done packing. I feel so good to be done. Alright, I have to go because my battery's flashing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below when you guys go back to school, if you're in college, or even if you're not in college, just let me know because I'm curious. Thank you for all of the new subscribers. Also, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe down below. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.